Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have linear chain compound with alkene and many methyl attachments. You are having side chain nitrogen which is also formed and ester. First step you are reacting with copper iodide. Second step you are reacting with selenium dioxide. Here you have to find what will be the final product. The answer involved in the carbene formation. Whenever you have nitrogen, it's a very good leaving group. It also leaves us carbene. Carbene is extremely reactive, it has to be quant. So carbene insertion happened, you have strain full 3-member ring formation. Here strain is higher, yes, but quenching of carbene is higher priority here because of its highly unstable nature. So you have new member ring and you are using selenium dioxide. Selenium dioxide is an interesting reagent. It converts allylic hydrogen into allylic alcohol. So it's a regioselective oxidation. So reagent given regioselectivity. The concept you have to learn here is carbene. Carbene is a highly unstable compound. It tried to quench itself by insertion reaction. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.